Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Emily, your English teacher.
And hello, everyone. I am Mark. I am a student, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Mark, you sound very energetic today. You sound happy.
Yes, Emily, I had a very good morning. The sun is shining, and I am ready to learn.
That is perfect, Mark, because today we are talking about the morning. We are talking about your morning routine.
Morning routine. That means the things we do every morning, right?
Exactly, the things you do every single day, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you leave your house.
This is very important. I do these things every day, but I don't know how to say them in English.
Well, today we will change that. We will learn step by step. We will go slowly. Are you ready to start your day in English, Mark?
I'm ready. Let's start.
Part 1, Waking Up. Okay, step number 1. It is 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. The sun comes up. What happens first?
First, my alarm clock rings. Beep, beep, beep.
Yes, and then you do two things. Listen carefully because this is tricky. First, you wake up, and second, you get up.
Wait, Emily, wake up and get up? Are they different? They sound the same to me.
Yes, they are different. This is a very common mistake for beginners. Wake up means you open your eyes, you stop sleeping. Your brain is awake, but you are still in your bed.
Okay, so wake up means open my eyes.
Correct. But get up means you leave your bed. You stand up, you put your feet on the floor.
Ah, I understand now. So sometimes I wake up at 7 a.m., but I stay in bed. I look at my phone. I don't get up until 7:15 a.m.
Exactly. That is a perfect example. You wake up, then you get up. Let's practice these two sentences. Listeners, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Try it.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now, sentence number 2. I get up. Repeat after me. I get up.
I get up.
Listeners, your turn. I get up. Very good. Mark, what time do you get up?
I wake up at 6 a.m., but I get up at 6:10 a.m. It is very early.
That is very early. You are a morning person. Okay, Mark, you are out of bed, you get up. Where do you go next?
I go to the bathroom.
Correct. And we do 3 very important things in the bathroom. Let's look at them one by one. First, we clean our teeth. In English, we say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Yes, B-R-U-S-H, brush. Notice the word teeth, not tooth. Teeth means all of them.
I brush my teeth. Can I say I wash my teeth?
No, that sounds strange. We always say brush. Imagine the brush moving, up and down, left and right.
Okay, brush, like a hairbrush.
Yes, you brush your hair and you brush your teeth. Let's practice. Listeners, imagine you are in the bathroom. You have your toothbrush. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. Again, louder please. I brush my teeth. Very good. Now, what about your face? You look sleepy. You need water.
Yes, I put water on my face. It feels good.
In English, we say, I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Yes, wash. W-A-S-H, like a washing machine, but for your face.
I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
Me too. Cold water is the best. Let's practice that sentence. Listeners, repeat after me. I wash my face. One more time. I wash my face. Good job. So we have I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
What if I want to clean my whole body?
Good question. Then you say I take a shower.
I take a shower, not I do a shower.
No, we use the verb take. I take a shower. Or if you use a bathtub, I take a bath. But in the morning, usually we take a shower. It's faster.
I take a shower every morning. I like hot water.
Let's practice that one. Listeners, repeat after me. I take a shower. Again, I take a shower. You are doing great. Okay, Mark, you are out of bed. You get up. Now you are in your towel. What is next?
I need clothes. I cannot go to work in a towel.
No, you cannot. That would be funny. You need to put on clothes. The phrase for this is, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Yes, this means you put on your shirt, your pants, and your socks. The whole process is called getting dressed.
Is it the same as wear?
Good question. Get dressed is the action. It is what you do in the morning. Wear is what you do all day. So in the morning, you get dressed.
I understand. I get dressed in my bedroom.
Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me. I get dressed. Again, I get dressed. Perfect. Sometimes we want to talk about specific clothes. For example, I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
Put on is a phrasal verb. It is very common. You can put on your shoes. You can put on your jacket.
Can I put on my glasses?
Yes, anything you wear, you put on.
Okay, I put on my shirt, I put on my pants, I put on my socks.
You are very fast, Mark. Listeners, let's practice one specific sentence. Repeat after me. I put on my shoes. Again, I put on my shoes. Very good. Now you are ready. You look handsome, Mark.
Thank you, Emily. I am ready, but I am very hungry.
Ah, the most important part of the morning, breakfast.
I love breakfast. It is my favorite meal. What do we say? I eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast, or you can say I have breakfast. Both are correct.
I have breakfast sounds very natural.
It is. Native speakers use have a lot for food. Let's use have today. Repeat after me, Mark. I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Listeners, repeat after me. I have breakfast. Again, I have breakfast. Mark, what do you have for breakfast?
Usually I have bread and eggs and coffee.
Coffee. We talked about this before. Do you remember the sentence?
Yes, I am making coffee.
Perfect. Or simply, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Let's practice that. It is a very common morning habit. Listeners, repeat after me. I drink coffee. And if you don't like coffee, Mark?
I drink tea or I drink juice.
Exactly. Listeners, choose your drink. Coffee, tea, juice. Say the sentence now. Good. Okay, you are awake, you are clean, you are dressed, you are full of food. Now it's time to go.
Time to go to work. I don't like this part.
We have to do it. The sentence is, I leave the house.
I leave the house.
Leave, L-E-A-V-E. It means you go out the door. You say goodbye to your home.
What time do you leave the house, Emily?
I leave the house at 8 a.m. What about you?
I leave the house at 7:30 a.m.
Okay, let's practice this. Listeners, repeat after me. I leave the house. Again, I leave the house. Another common way to say this is I go to work.
I go to work.
Simple. Or if you are a student, I go to school.
Let's practice I go to work for the listeners who work.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat after me. I go to work. And one more time. I go to work. Great job. You have started your day. Part 6, the shadowing story. Now, Mark, we learned many sentences today.
Yes, wake up, get up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work. It is a lot to remember.
It is a lot. So now we will do something special. I will tell a short story about my morning routine. I want you and the listeners to listen and then repeat the whole story with me.
Okay, a story. I am listening.
Here is my morning routine. Listen first. I wake up at 7. I get up. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I drink coffee. I go to work.
That was fast. Can we do it slowly?
Yes, we will do it sentence by sentence. This is called shadowing. I speak, then you speak immediately.
Okay, listeners, are you ready?
Let's tell the story of the morning together.
I wake up at 7. Mark and listeners, I wake up at 7. I get up. Mark and listeners, I get up. I brush my teeth. Mark and listeners, I brush my teeth. I get dressed. Mark and listeners, I get dressed.